Welcome to all. I am a lotus. I am a beautiful flower. I am national flower of India. I am pink and watching color. I am a gothic flower. I am big only. Thanks to all.
I am a mango. I am the king of fruits and national fruit of India. I am very sweet and tasty. I am rich in vitamins A, C and D. My colors are yellow,